Really important concept. I'm teaching kids on the spectrum, and kids with a lot of learning problems. Thinking is bottom up, not top down. Most people's thinking is top down. You form the concept, and then you try to shove all the data into it. My thinking's bottom up. I get all the little details and put them together to make wholes. So let's say I want to teach the words up and down. Use a lot of different examples. I went up the stairs. I went up in the attic. The plane flew up in the air. I threw the ball up in the air. You know, words like down, on. Use different examples. Okay, how about more complex concepts like rude? Well, sticking out your tongue in church is rude. Pushing in line at the movie theater is rude. You know, and you have specific examples. And the other thing is, kids make mistakes, social mistakes. Don't scream no, give the instruction. Okay, like if I reached across the table for the mashed potatoes, instead of saying no, say, ask Jimmy to pass it. In other words, give the instruction.